गणपतिगुं हवामहे
गणपतिं हवामहे
गणपतिगुं हवामहे
गणपतिं हवामहे
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे
ॐ गणानात्वा गणपतिं हवामहे
बेटर नाइस ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे
ॐ गणानात्वा गणपतिं हवामहे
Okay, now next portion Hemalatama will repeat. One chunk we'll give to everyone. Okay. ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगं हवामहे
कविं कवीना
कविं कवीना
one ka is down swarita one ka
ओके
is up कविं कवीना
कविं कवीनां
very nice कविं कवीनामुपम
कविं कवीनामुपम
मुपम
मुपम
कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्त
कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्त
very nice कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम्
कविं कवीनामुपश्रवस्तमम्
मुपमश्रवस्तमम्
कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम्
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् try
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम्
wonderful wonderful ज्येष्ठराजं
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 ब्रह्मणां
ब्रह्मणां
ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां
ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां
this Vedic chanting is not like Shravanam. You do Shravanam and you will get. You have to chant actually. Okay. ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां
ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां
ब्रह्मणस्पत आ
ब्रह्मणस्पत आ
ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आ
ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां
ब्रह्मणस्पत आ
ब्रह्मणस्पत
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आ
Now can you hear me?
Yes.
Om Gananam Tva
Wait. Udatta you didn't say. Om Gananaan Tva.
Om Gananaan Tva Ganapatim
Gan.
Havamahe Kavim
I
Whatever.
think she's getting a call.
Yes. Okay. Raghavanji.
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पत आनयनः.
Okay. You see how we go up and down. I will tell you reason why they have chosen Anudatta, Udatta and all. Very scientific reason. Om Ganana Antva Ganapati Gum Havamahe Kavim Kavina Mupamashravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Ana. यहाँ तक ओके. Who will chant? डरो मत, एक दो ही मंत्र थोड़े डिफिकल्ट है. देन प्रणम में शीर्षा वी ऑल नो. हियर वी हैव टू पुट फॉर एफर्ट. हाँ. यस राघवन जी, वन मोर टाइम.
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पत आनहे.
Okay, very nice. Now Pavitrama. Bit difficult, huh? Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anash.
ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनस्.
You see, Visarga is followed by Sh. This is Sh. Sh. That is why we will pronounce this Visarga as Sh. Anashrunvan. Okay. Anashrunvan Nutibhis Sida Sadhanam. Little bit compact but fine. Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashrunvan. Yes.
ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्.
Yes. Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashrunvan Nutibhis Sida.
It is nu or nu?
No, Rasvanu.
Okay. ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन् नोदिभिः सीद.
ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन् नोतिभिः सीद.
ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन् नोदिभिः सीद.
नोतिभिः सीद. Okay, full now.
नोतिभिः सीद.
Very nice. ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन् नोतिभिः सीद सादनम्.
ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन् नोतिभिः सीद सादनम्.
Okay, now full Pavitrama. Okay. Om Ganana Antva Ganapati Gum Havamahe Kavim कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्री महागणपतये नमः। यस चैंट अम्मा।
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्री गणपतये नमः।
वेरी नाइस। हेमलता अम्मा फुल।
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्।
Amma small last portion only. शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् शृण्वन्
ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्।
better. शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्
शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्।
Very nice. Almost. Okay. Anand ji can try.
Hello,
Yes.
sir.
Anand.
My father goes to toilet.
Okay. ठीक है. Then Arun Amma will try.
ॐ गणानां त्वं गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीना मुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः
शृण्वन्नोतिभिः
साधनम्।
Okay. That is why we have chosen simple after this. Okay. अब शुरुआत में हम भी ऐसे ही थे. I forgot to take name. Our Brahmachari Tanmay ji taught us everything, how to chant. Okay. Brahmachari Tanmay Chaitanya ji. Only two places are there where we can make mistake. This first one is this. We have to be more cautious here. And Shrunvan Nutibis. I will chant only this much. Kavim. Okay. Kavim kavinamupamashravastamam. Kavim kavina. You can break here. Mupama. You can break here for just 1 second. Shravastamam. Kavim kavinamupamashravastamam. And this Shrunvannutibis sedasadanam. Shrunvannutibis sedasadanam. Okay.
Vasanji, the second line, where to take the breath, because in between that continuity.
Second line, this one.
Jeshtarajam
Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashrunvannutibis sedasadanam. After this, you have to continue.
Okay. No break after that.
Here 2 breaks you can take. ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां, then no break, ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्.
Okay.
This breath, these pauses are very important. They have effect on our mind, body, health, everywhere. I told you that stotra mantra che vijnan. They have told how to chant which mantra in which way and where it will affect, like spinal cord, so many things here discussed. Okay, once who will chant now? Akshara will chant now. Then Raghavanji, then we'll move ahead. Yes.
Oh, yes, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah. Om Ganana.
काय झालं? She is getting muted.
Yes. Om Gananam Tva Ganapa.
Some problem. Akshara, Gana naam nahi. Om Ganana Antva. It is Udatta, so long one. Ganana Antva Ganapati Gum Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्. Yes, Raghavanji.
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्.
Okay. Now one small rule. Chanting in the beginning, everybody has problem. Okay. The point is you don't give up, it will come to you. Okay, chalo, theek hai. This dot, okay, this dot is called makar. Bit Sanskrit knowledge. This dot is called makara in our Sanskrit literature. This our dot. Okay, this is called sam. Here you can see kavim, rajam, brahmanam. Okay, there is no ma. So this dot anuswara. It is called anuswara in Sanskrit. Dot is called makara. Okay, but you can see here. What can somebody tell me? Some this makar's misbehavior is there. Can anybody tell? You see this mantra and tell. Somewhere you will see this actually this way. This and this, there is no difference. But sometimes we see dot here and we see ma here. Can you see? You can see ma here. Okay. All are walking with me? Nod your head. Yes. So this is ma, or this is also ma, and sometimes this becomes dot. So how? Quickly we'll understand. This is universal rule you can apply anywhere. See, if ma is followed by consonant, okay, vyanjan, consonant is called vyanjan in Sanskrit, then ma will become dot. Okay, if ma is followed by consonant, then ma will become dot. You see here, gananam. So it is followed by ta consonant. Kavim, it is followed by ka consonant. Jeshtarajam, followed by ba consonant. Brahmanam, followed by ba consonant. Okay. Now this is example, like Rajam will take. Rajam, Raja, Rajam plus ba will become Rajam. Okay. Point is what? It will become dot when makara is followed by vyanjan. Understood? Okay. Somewhere we see it is not, it is remained ma only. Okay. Here, oh, okay. Here actually pause is there. Next rule is what? When makara is not followed, makara is not having anything. Okay. अगर म एंड में है, म के सामने व्यंजन नहीं है तो म will remain as it is. You see, after this sadhanam, there is nothing. Do you see any consonant here, any swara here? No. That is why this ma remains ma only. If it is followed by vyanjan, then it will become dot. Simple rule. Anywhere. Now you can open Bhagavad Gita. You will see somewhere dot, somewhere ma as it is. But that ma will be there as it is where nothing is following. Okay. This is simple general rule. Now you will say Jaya is following. Actually here dot is there, but everything goes down, so I didn't put. Okay. So here this is called our dot. Okay. Full stop in Sanskrit. Danda, khadi line. Okay. So nothing is following. Full stop means nothing is following. So it remains ma only. Otherwise you see everywhere Jeshta Rajam, Vyanjan is follow, consonant is following. So it remains dot. Clear, eh? Okay, simple one. I will erase this. Okay, when makara is followed by consonant, then makara will change into dot. When makara is followed by nothing, then it will remain as ma. You can see here now Sankatanashana Stotra will stand. Devam. So ga is following, so it remained dot. Vinayakam, nothing is following, it remained ma only. Very simple. Okay. And when, chalo, that we'll see. First we'll read this sloka. Now we are starting our, before Ganpati ji, we will chant that Gananantva. Okay. Now Anand ji can chant. Simple one. Vedika. Okay. Repeat after me. Okay.
Okay.
Listen what I say and repeat the same way. If you can't read, listen properly. Okay. You will get it. Pranamya shirasa devam.
Pranam Nisina Jane Dev.
No. She is very small. Second class. She is in second grade.
Pranamya Shirasa.
Anand ji, you also chant along with him. Otherwise,
yes.
Pranamya shirasa devam.
Pranam
Shirasa Devam.
Shirasa Devam.
Gauri putram vinayakam.
Gauri Putra Vinayam.
Very nice. Pranamya shirasa devam.
Pranam Shirisaya Devam.
Gauri putram vinayakam.
Gauri Putra
Vinaya.
Vinaya.
This dot is called makara. Just now I told. Dot is called anuswar. Is called makara. Pranamya shirasa devam. Gauri putram vinayakam.
Pranamya Shirasa Devam. Gauri Putram Vinayakam.
That's it. Bhaktavasam smare nityam.
Bhaktavasam smare nityam.
Bhaktavasam smare nityam.
Bhaktavasam smare nityam.
Ayuh kamartha siddhaye.
Ayu Kamartha Siddhaye.
भक्तावासं स्मरेन् नित्यम् आयुः कामार्थसिद्धये
तावासं स्मरे नित्यम् आयु कामार्थसिद्धये।
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल वेरी नाइस वेरी सिंपल हाँ हेमलता अम्मा सेकंड श्लोक प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च
प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च
एकदन्तं द्वितीयकम्
एकदन्तं द्वितीयकम्
तृतीयं कृष्णपिङ्गाक्षम्
तृतीयं कृष्णपिङ्गाक्षं
गजवक्त्रं चतुर्थकम्
गजवक्त्रं चतुर्थकम्
प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च एकदन्तं द्वितीयकम्
प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च एकदन्तं द्वितीयकम्
तृतीयं कृष्णपिङ्गाक्षं
तृती-
गजवक्त्रं चतुर्थकम्
तृतीयं कृष्णपिङ्गाक्षं गजवक्त्रं चतुर्थकम्
नौ फुल श्लोक प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च एकदन्तं द्वितीयकं तृतीयं कृष्णपिङ्गाक्षं गजवक्त्रं चतुर्थकम्
प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च एकदन्तं द्वितीयकं तृतीयं कृष्णपिङ्गाक्षं गजवक्त्रं चतुर्थकम्
ओके since we are studying very seriously this is raswa okay amma trutiyam when we say truti is stretched like dvitiyakam ek see now here प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च एकदन्तुण्डं च एकदन्तं द्वितीयकं द्विती
Okay.
when it is
Raswa and
longer
Dirgha. Okay.
now you see here trutiyam krishna pingaksham ping
Okay.
okay one
You
more
want
time
me to repeat?
yes one more time
प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च एकदन्तं द्वितीयकं तृतीयं कृष्णपिङ्गाक्षं गजवक्त्रं चतुर्थकम्
very nice ठीक है राघवन जी
Vasanji, that Gajavaktram, that is half ka and
so this is half ta ra and ka okay ka and ma these many things are there in that ta plus ra becomes tra and vaktra and then ma became dot see ka ta plus ra becomes tra like stri we say or tri trishul that ta plus ra tra and ka vaktra vaktram that font is different that is why ka ta ra they have written that way okay vaktram okay now Raghavanji any doubt is welcome we want doubt so we'll get answer
Same,
लंबोदरं पंचमं च
लंबोदरं पंचमं च
लंबोदरं पंचमं च
लंबोदरं पंचमं च
षष्ठं विकटमेव च
षष्ठं विकटमेव च
षष्ठं विकटमेव च
षष्ठं विकटमेव च
सप्तमं विघ्नराजेन्द्रं
सप्तमं विघ्नराजेन्द्रं
सप्तमं विघ्नराजेन्द्रं
सप्तमं विघ्नराजेन्द्रं
धूम्रवर्णं तथाष्टमम्
धूम्रवर्णं तथाष्टकम्
तथाष्टमम्
तथाष्टमम्
धूम्रवर्णं तथाष्टमम्.
धूम्रवर्णं तथाष्टमम्.
First full line, all chant, all of you chant. लंबोदरं पंचमं च षष्ठं विकटमेव च.
लंबोदरं पंचमं च षष्ठं विकटमेव च.
सप्तमं विघ्नराजेन्द्रं धूम्रवर्णं तथाष्टमम्.
सप्तमं विघ्नराजेन्द्रं धूम्रवर्णं तथाष्टमम्.
Okay, धू is दीर्घ. धूम्रवर्णं तथाष्टमम्. Okay, very nice. Daily if we chant, we will get strength to face problems. Problems will not go away. We will have more strength.
Hariom,
Pranam.
only one thing I just wanted to say, today is Ganpati Jayanti actually.
Oh,
Jayanti, yeah, it's today's 8th of Feb. Actually, I wanted to say that what a beautiful way to, remember
Coincidence.
Ganpati.
हाँ, वाह.
Yeah.
Thank you. चलो, अरुणाम्मा. हाँ. नवमं भालचन्द्रं च.
नवमं भालचन्द्रं च.
नवमं भालचन्द्रं च.
नवमं भालचन्द्रं च.
दशमं तु विनायकम्.
दशमं तु विनायकम्.
Now you say here, two is rasva. When we take pause, dashamam tu vina, it becomes dirgha. Okay. What if we chanted dirgha? Things are there, we will discuss sometime. Dashamam tu vinayakam.
दशमं तु विनायकम्.
Right. Ekadasham ganapatim.
एकादशं गणपतिम्.
Ekadasham ganapatim.
एकादशं गणपतिम्.
द्वादशं तु गजाननम्.
द्वादशं तु गजाननम्.
द्वादशं तु गजाननम्.
द्वादशं तु गजाननम्.
नव फर्स्ट फुल लाइन, ऑल ऑफ यू चैंट. नवमं भालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकम्.
नवमं भालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकम्.
The two is getting long, becoming longer. Okay. दशमं तु
नवमं भालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकम्.
एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननम्.
एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननम्.
फुल श्लोका ऑल ऑफ यू. नवमं भालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकम्. एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननम्.
नवमं भालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकम्. एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननम्.
वेरी नाइस. Okay, now last one. So it is said morning, afternoon, evening. If we chant this 3 times, 12 Ganpati's name, then Vigna Bhayam Tasya Sarva Siddhi Kara Prabhu. Sarva Siddhi. Whatever we want, we will get. Okay, and all Vignas, obstacles, they will go away. Okay. Last sloka, Akshara will chant. Akshara. Okay. Dvadashaitani namani.
द्वादशौतानि नामानि.
द्वादशैतानि नामानि
द्वादशैतानि नामानि
त्रिसन्ध्यं यः पठेन्नरः
त्रिसन्ध्यं यः पठे नरः
त्रिसन्ध्यं यः पठेन्नरः
त्रिसन्ध्यं यः पठे नरः
न च विघ्नभयं तस्य
न च विघ्नभयं तस्य
न च विघ्नभयं तस्य
न च विघ्नभयं तस्य
सर्वसिद्धिकरः प्रभुः
सर्वसिद्धिकरः प्रभुः
सर्वसिद्धिकरः प्रभुः
सर्वसिद्धिकरः प्रभुः
First full line, all of you chant. द्वादशैतानि नामानि त्रिसन्ध्यं यः पठेन्नरः
द्वादशैतानि नामानि त्रिसन्ध्यं यः पठे नरः
न च विघ्नभयं तस्य सर्वसिद्धिकरः प्रभुः
न च विघ्नभयं तस्य सर्वसिद्धिकरः प्रभुः
Okay, one more last rule and then we will chant full. Okay. Rule is what? When, see, properly, listen properly. When visarga is followed by pa. So far you must have seen how am I chanting. Okay, when visarga is followed by pa, then we will chant that visarga as fa. Okay. When visarga is followed by pa and fa, okay, pa and fa, then we will pronounce that visarga as fa. Visarga will be pronounced as fa. Okay. Small rule, but very important. Everywhere it comes in Bhagavad Gita also. When visarga is followed by pa and fa, then visarga we will pronounce as fa. You see here, Trisandhyam yaf pathe narah. Yaf. Actually it is, last time we said, if it is followed by sha, then like shantish, shantish, shantihi. This chanting is more related to yoga. Like anulom, vilom, that they say na, inhale, exhale. When you say Ramaha, that time you exhale. Okay. This way it is connected also. Ramam. Like Bhastrika also they say that that time all vibrations will go into head. It is connected. It is up to us how much we study and explore into this. Okay. Yaf pathen naraha. Here also you see Sarva siddhikaraf prabhuhu. Karaf prabhuhu. Many people how they chant Sarva siddhikarah prabhuhu. They say visarga as ha only. But it is actually not wrong, but this is more right. Okay. Sarva siddhikarah prabhuhu. Okay. Fine. Can anybody repeat this rule? Come on, quickly. 9-1 ho gayi. Hemalatam.
If visarg is followed by pa and fa, then visarg is to be pronounced as fa.
Okay. For example, Om Purnamadah. Madah plus pa. You can see here. You can see. Om Purnamadah. You can see any learned person. Any learned person. He will chant fa only there. Even Guruji, anybody you see. Om Purnamadah.
पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते.
In Bhagavad Gita, tatah padam tat, we chant tatah padam tat parima, tatah padam. Visarga is followed by pa. That is why tatah padam. So this was the second. Okay. Who will chant full?
Om Gananang Tva Ganapati Gum Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashruna Vannuti Bisida Sadhanam.
Okay. That much only. I just checked who is, ready to chant all. Now for 5 of us, we'll read one shloka. Raghavanji read his shloka. Now Pavitrama.
I'll start.
Pranamya.
प्रणम्य शिरसा देवं गौरीपुत्रं विनायकं भक्तावासं स्मरे नित्यम् आयुः कामार्थसिद्धये.
Arunamma. Prathamam.
प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च एकदन्तं द्वितीयकं तृतीयं कृष्णपिङ्गाक्षं गजवक्त्रं चतुर्थकम्.
Raghavanji, third one.
लंबोदरं पंचमं च षष्ठं विकटमेव च सप्तमं विघ्नराजेन्द्रं धूम्रवर्णं तथाष्टमम्.
Okay, Hemalatamma, fourth one.
नवमं बालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकम् एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननम्.
Okay, last one I will chant. द्वादशैतानि नामानि त्रिसन्ध्यं यः पठेन्नरः न च विघ्नभयं तस्य सर्वसिद्धिकरः प्रभुः. सर्वसिद्धिकरः प्रभुः. Okay, who will do Shanti Path?
ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Here tihi nahi hai. There is no anudatta, unlike here.
Then how should we sing?
Simple sounded one.
Shanti.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.